Exploring medical solutions for ED, options and lifestyle adjustments. There are various medical options available to address ED, with effective treatments such as selena, which enhance blood circulation. However, these medications are most effective when combined with the right stimulation and desire. For those looking to avoid pills, low-intensity shockwave therapy offers a natural way to improve circulation by stimulating the growth of new blood vessels. Testosterone replacement therapy is another option that can be beneficial if hormone levels are low, helping to restore energy and improve libido. Acupuncture has also shown promise, reducing stress and increasing blood flow. It's essential to consult with a healthcare provider to customize these treatments according to your specific needs. Your health and lifestyle deserve personalized attention, and the foundation for long-term well-being starts with self-care. Regular physical activity, a well-balanced diet filled with healthy fats and proteins, and good quality sleep are crucial for hormone regulation and stress reduction. Cutting back on excess sugar and unhealthy fats also helps prevent inflammation that can damage blood vessels. Think of these actions as self-respect, fueling your body to thrive. ED can even be a wake-up call for your heart health since the same issues often affect both. Addressing ED means investing in a healthier, longer life. On an emotional level, silence is the enemy. Many men hesitate to discuss ED due to fear or shame. This emotional silence can create a gap in relationships, with partners potentially misunderstanding withdrawal as rejection. Breaking this cycle starts with initiating an open and brave conversation. By sharing your journey and inviting your partner's support, you foster intimacy, turning a challenge into a shared victory. I once had a patient, John, who avoided intimacy for years because of ED. When he finally opened up to his wife, her support, along with lifestyle changes and medical advice, not only restored his confidence but also rekindled the spark in their marriage. Your story could be just as inspiring. Why does this matter? Because you deserve to feel confident, connected, and at ease in your own body. Sexual health isn't just about performance, it's about joy, intimacy, and living life fully at any age. By improving circulation, balancing hormones, reducing stress, and embracing open communication, you're not just addressing ED, you're strengthening your relationship and improving your overall well-being. Let curiosity lead you. Experiment with what works for you and celebrate each small victory along the way. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you or someone close to you faced similar challenges? What's worked for you, or what questions do you still have? Share your story below, it could be the encouragement someone else needs. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Join our community of health-conscious individuals, and let me know what health topics you'd like me to cover next. Drop your suggestions in the comments, and let's keep learning and growing together. This is Dr. John, reminding you to live boldly and fearlessly. See you in the next video. Greetings, everyone. I'm Dr. John, your trusted companion on the journey to vibrant health, especially for those enjoying the wisdom of their golden years. Welcome to my channel, where we delve into the fascinating science of aging with both curiosity and optimism. Today, we'll be discussing an often overlooked but crucial subject, men's sexual health and its vital role in strengthening relationships. This isn't just about physical health, it's about rebuilding confidence, nurturing deeper connections, and rediscovering joy in life. Before we dive in, I'd love to know where you're tuning in from. Drop a comment below with your city or country so we can connect across the globe. If this video resonates with you, please hit the like button, it helps us share this valuable information with others. As we grow older, our bodies change, and for many men, challenges such as erectile dysfunction, ED, can feel like a silent obstacle. But here's the truth, ED isn't a life sentence, and it's not just confined to the bedroom. It's a signal from your body, and with the right approach, you can regain vitality and deepen the bond with your partner. Let's break down the core factors, explore practical solutions, and spark your curiosity about the incredible potential of your own body. Physical health, the body's engine and the role of circulation. Your body is like a finely tuned machine, and blood flow is the fuel that keeps it running. ED often arises from reduced circulation, which can be caused by aging arteries, high cholesterol, or conditions such as diabetes and high blood pressure. These conditions can hinder the blood flow needed for a firm erection. Hormonal changes also play a role.
As men age, testosterone naturally declines, which can slow down libido and sexual response.
Over time, weak pelvic floor muscles, those that support erectile function, may lose their strength as well. But don't feel discouraged. Small, simple changes can have a big impact. Aerobic activities like brisk walking improve cardiovascular health and circulation, while pelvic floor exercises, such as Kegels, can strengthen the muscles that support erections.
A diet rich in nitric oxide boosters like beets, watermelon, and leafy greens can relax blood vessels, improving blood flow.
These steps aren't just beneficial for sexual health, they also enhance your energy, mood, and overall longevity. Mental health, the mind-body connection. Now, let's address the mind. Anxiety is one of the leading contributors to ED. The fear of not performing well during intimate moments triggers stress hormones like cortisol, which disrupts circulation and makes it more difficult to sustain an erection. Daily stressors, whether related to work, finances, or even minor disagreements, can drain your mental energy, turning intimacy into a challenge. Low self-esteem or feelings of being undesired can also create emotional distance. This is where curiosity and freedom come into play. By embracing your mind as a powerful ally, you can overcome these challenges. Practices like deep breathing, meditation, and mindfulness can help reduce anxiety, allowing your body to respond naturally. Open and honest communication with your partner is key. Sharing your fears or insecurities is not a sign of weakness, it's a strength. Many partners respond with compassion and support, which helps relieve pressure and rebuild trust. Reconnecting, the power of open communication. Imagine the freedom of reconnecting with your partner without that weight on your shoulders. Let go of the fear of failure and embrace intimacy with a sense of freedom and confidence. ED doesn't have to define your sexual health or your relationship. With the right approach, mindfully caring for both your body and mind, you can transform not only your sexual health but also your emotional connection with your partner.